Okay, good day everyone. So now we will be having our respiratory system. Okay, now remember that your respiratory system is composed of your upper and lower respiratory tract. Okay, the main function of your upper respiratory tract, okay, is a passageway. So ibig sabihin, daanan lang siya ng what? Ng air. Okay, so ibig sabihin, pagdaanan lang siya ng air, okay, so it warms and it filters, okay, the air na pumapasok dun sa loob ng lungs natin. Okay? Para protektahan yung lungs natin. Okay? To protect your lower respiratory tract. And then your lower respiratory tract is responsible for the ventilation and gas exchange. Okay? Pag sinabi natin responsible for ventilation, it is the movement of your air in and out. Okay? So now, yung nangyayari sa loob is yung gas exchange ninyo. Okay, yung pagpasok ng oxygen sa loob ng what? Ng alveoli, and then paglabas ng carbon dioxide from blood papuntang lungs ninyo and palabas ng lungs. Okay, so that's your respiratory system. Now, we will be having our what? Your upper respiratory tract. So, ano yung mga composition ng upper respiratory tract natin? Okay, meron tayong nose, your sinus, your pharynx, your larynx, and your trachea. Okay, so unang pag-uusapan natin now is your nose. Okay, pag sinabi natin nose, the main function of your nose is a passageway. Okay, passageway. It also filters, okay, and humidify and warms the air na pumapasok sa baga natin. Okay, so now, remember that your nose, meron tayong mga buhok doon sa loob ng ilong. So, it serves as what? It serves as a filter, okay, doon sa pumapasok na air. Kaya kayo nagkakaroon ng what? Ng kulangot. Okay? And also, at the same time, it humidifies air to protect your lower respiratory system. Okay? Your nose is composed of your external and your internal structures. Pag sinabi natin is external, okay, ito yung mga nasa labas. Pag sinabi naman natin internal, ito yung mga nasa loob. Okay? Next is your sinus. Okay? Your sinus is a air spaces. Okay? Air spaces yung mga yan. So, the main function of your sinus is what? Is a resonating chamber. Okay? Pag sinabi natin resonating chamber, okay, dito yung napoproduce yung mga sounds ninyo. Okay? Nagre-resonate. Okay? Bakit? Okay? Remember, kung alam nyo yung mga sinuses ninyo, like your frontal, ethmoid, sphenoid, and your maxillary sinuses. Okay? Tignan mo muna. Okay, your frontal, ito yung mga nasa taas ng eyebrows ninyo. Okay, yan yung nasa taas ng mata nyo. That's your frontal sinus. Yung ethmoid ninyo, maliliit lang na spaces yan. Okay, mas maliit siya compared to your frontal. Okay, nasaan yan? Nasa baba lang ng frontal ninyo and nasa side ng mata ninyo. Okay, sa taas. And then, we have your sphenoid. Saan mahanap yan? Almost malapit yan sa ears. Okay, that's your sphenoid. And then, your maxillary, yan yung nasa side ng ilong ninyo. Remember, tandaan nyo pag nagkakaroon kayo ng sipon, okay? Kaya feeling nyo ang bigat-bigat ng ulo nyo kasi ang instead na air yung laman ng spaces na yan, ano nangyayari, okay? Nagkakaroon sila ng mga secretions. So pag nagkaroon ng secretions due to inflammation, what will happen to those parts? Okay, nagkakaroon ng mucus production or nagkakaroon ng secretion. Kaya feeling mo minsan ang bigat-bigat ng ulo mo, 'di ba? Dahil doon, okay? Remember that your sinus is a common site of infection, okay? Next, we have your pharynx, okay? Your pharynx or your throat, okay? Your pharynx or your throat is a passageway for both air and food, okay? Your pharynx connects the nasal and oral cavity to your larynx, okay? And then your pharynx is divided into three. Your nasopharynx, your oropharynx, and your laryngopharynx. Pag sinabi natin nasopharynx, okay, from your nose and above soft palate, okay? And then your oropharynx is your tonsils and your adenoids. And then your laryngopharynx is your what? From your hyoid bone to your cricoid cartilage, okay? So your adenoids is called your pharyngeal tonsils. Ito yung mga nasa side. Okay? Nasa side. Okay, ganito yung itsura niyan. 'Di ba? Ito yung ovula mo kasi ito yung parang nakikita lang natin na tonsils natin. Pero meron din tayong tonsils dito sa may side. Okay? Yan yung mga adenoids natin or your tawag dito pharyngeal tonsils natin. And number 4, we have your larynx or your voice box. Okay, your voice box or your larynx connects the pharynx and your trachea. And then it is consists of your epiglottis, glottis, thyroid cartilage, cricoid cartilage, your arytenoid, and your vocal cords. Okay? Vocal cords. Okay. Pag sinabi nating epiglottis, itsura nito is a valve flap. Okay? Valve flap. Okay? It covers the opening to the larynx during what? Swallowing. Okay? Para ma-prevent yung aspiration. Nagko-close yan pag nagsaswallow ka para mag-prevent ng aspiration. And then we have your glottis. Okay? The opening between the vocal cords in the larynx. And we have your thyroid cartilage. It forms the Adam's apple. Okay? And then your cricoid cartilage naman is located below your what? Your thyroid cartilage. So, ibig sabihin daw, yung cricoid cartilage yung nasa baba lang mismo ng thyroid cartilage. And we have your arytenoid cartilage. Okay? It is used in the vocal cord movement. Okay? And then your vocal cords, it produces your sounds. And lastly, we have your trachea or your windpipe. Okay, it composed of smooth muscle. It also function, okay, as a passageway for your right and left bronchi. Okay, it serves as a passageway for your right and left bronchi. Okay, now we also have your lower respiratory tract. Okay, yung pag-uusapan natin dito is your lungs. Okay. Your lungs is a elastic structure. Okay, remember that. Your lungs is elastic structure. So, pag nilapag mo yan, okay, at in-incise mo, okay, sobrang laki niyan. Okay? According to some books, parang ang palaki daw niyan is yung tennis court pag inopen mo. Okay? Ganun daw siya kalaki. Tennis court. Okay. Now, your lungs is divided into two, your right and your left. And then we have your right. Sa right natin, meron tayong lobes doon, 3. And then we have your left, meron tayong 2 lobes doon. And your lungs is protected by your pleura. Okay? Your pleura is a covering layer. Okay? Your pleura is your covering layer. And then now, your pleura is divided into 2. We have your visceral and we have your parietal. Pag sinabi natin visceral, again, it is the inner part, okay, of your pleura. And then your parietal is the outer part of your pleura. Okay, and this pleura or your pleural cavity composes of what? Okay, composes daw. It contains your fluid. Okay, anong tawag doon? It's your pleural fluid. Okay, gaano kadami? Approximately 10 to 20 ml yung fluid na laman ng pleural spaces natin. Okay. The function of your pleural fluid is to lubricate. Okay? Is to lubricate what? Okay? Para magkaroon ng smooth motion during inspiration and expiration. Same as your what? Pericardial fluid. Okay? It also prevents friction. Diba? Pinoprotektahan din niya yung lungs natin kapag nag-i-inhale tayo and nag-e-exhale para hindi siya dumikit mismo dun sa may thoracic cavity natin. Okay? We also have your mediastinum. Okay? Your mediastinum is located in the middle of your thorax. Okay? Located in the middle of your thorax. It contains the thoracic tissue outside the lungs. And then, we have your bronchi or your bronchioles. Okay? This bronchi and bronchioles contains submucosal glands. Okay? And this submucosal glands produces mucus. Okay, sino ang nagpo-produce ng mucus natin? It's your goblet cells. Okay, it's your goblet cells. Remember that your mucus covers the inside lining of your airway. Okay, normally kasi nagsasecrete talaga sila ng mucus, pero it protects. Okay, it protects what? Okay, your lower respiratory tract, lalong-lalo na yung inner surfaces ng lungs natin. Okay? Your bronchiole and bronchi, okay, surface covered by your cilia. Okay, remember that your cilia is what? A finger-like projection. Okay, anong ginagawa ng cilia ninyo? Okay, it propels mucus and foreign substances away from the lungs. Okay? It propels mucus and foreign substances away from the lungs. So, ibig sabihin, prevent nila yung mga dust na pumasok dun sa loob. Ang gagawin nila, ipropropel nila palabas, pabalik ng what? Papunta sa my throat ninyo, and then pag na-irritate yung throat ninyo, saka na kayo umuubo. Tapos nilalabas yung secretion. So yun yung ginagawa ng cilia ninyo. And lastly, we have your alveoli. Okay, your alveoli, they are small sac spaces. Okay? Small sac spaces. Okay. Gaano kadami? You have 300 million alveoli inside your lungs. And then, we have your three types of alveolar cells. Okay, your type 1, your type 2, and your alveolar macrophage. Okay, pag sinabi nating type 1, it consists of 95%. Okay, and it serves as a barrier between your air and your alveolar surfaces, okay, or surface. And then we have your type 2, it only consists 5%. Okay, the function of your type 2 is to produce type 1 cells and your surfactant. Okay, so etong surfactant na to, pag hindi to napoproduce, ito yung reason kung bakit nagkakaroon ng emphysema. Okay, and then next is your alveolar macrophage. Okay, ang ginagawa nito is a phagocytic cell. Okay, it ingests foreign matter. Okay, lalong-lalo na yung mga pumapasok na foreign bodies inside of your lungs. Okay, example ng foreign bodies ninyo, it's your virus, okay, your bacteria, your fungi. Yun yung ginagawa nila, it ingests foreign matter. Okay, so that's your anatomy and physiology for your respiratory system.